How to remove vocal frequencies in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, go to the AI editing tools section and select the vocal removal feature. Import the audio file from which you want to remove vocals. Once the file is loaded, you will see two options. Extract all for full separation into lead vocals, backing vocals, instrumental, and vocal mix. And extract only voice for separation into lead vocals and backing vocals only. Select the option you prefer and tap upload. After processing, preview the results to ensure the vocals are removed while keeping the instrumental intact. This feature is perfect for creating karaoke tracks, remixes, or practice tracks for singing and music production. Once satisfied, tap Save to export the audio with vocals removed. Now you know how to remove vocal frequencies in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.